I welcome everyone to the channel. This is Daniel Light, and in today's video I'll be going total in details because I expect most of my students from my class will be seeing this video. So here to start with, to get the bonus, you'll be downloading this app from Play Store. You can also get it on App Store. So as you can see on the screen, this is Headway Trading app. So you download it and click on it, open, and the first thing we are starting with sign up with email. So once you click on it, it brings this part where you have to fill in your email, your first name, and also you put in your last name. So once you're done with that, you click on continue, and it takes you to this part where you have to create a password. The password you should be using to log in to the account anytime you want to log in. So and you make sure you create, once creating the password, make sure all these requirements turn on green. That's the type of password they expect you to create must be a strong one. So once you're done, you create, continue, and generate, and from here a code will be sent to your Gmail. So you fetch the code, come back here to paste the code here, and click on confirm showing down here. So the next thing is to create a pin which you'll be using to log in into the app anytime you want to log into the app. So that's the pin you'll be using to log in. So for this, you just click not now, not now, as you can see in the app. So this is details of account right here. That's a demo account showing down, they're showing up there. So the next thing we need to do is get the bonus. So once you click on get bonus, you will be sent details you'll be using to log in into your MT5. So since we have our details ready, the next thing is to go straight to MT5. So once you log into MT5, you'll be needing to add the account. You need to create a new account. So you click on add account, add trading account. Then it brings you to this part where you have to put in the name of the server of the broker which you'll be using. So once you can just go back to the details which was given to you. You click on Headway Rails, which is the name of the server. You click on it and come back here to paste it. So once you paste it, it brings this option. You can see Headway, that's the server. You click on it and it takes you to this part where you have to put in login details that was given to you. So you can just go back to the app, copy it, paste it, go back, and for the password, you have to generate a password each time. In case you log out or stuff like that, you generate a password. See, it has the password ready. So once you click on it, you copy it and paste it in the MT5. Immediately you're done filling every single details, you click on login, and immediately you'll be credited with the 111 no deposit bonus, as you can see showing on the screen. So once all this is done, you can start trading. So today is Sunday and we won't be able to place order in the market because market only runs from Monday to Friday. Okay, now back to the site. The next thing we need to do is to verify our details. So as you can see right here, account not yet verified. So once you click on verify, it takes you to this place where you make sure you put in your full details and every details needed. So once you put in every details, you click on this upload the document to upload your government documents for you to get verified, because you won't be able to make withdrawal if you're not verified. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share to others. Have a nice day.